Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials by David. Today we'll be having a how to withdraw money from your MT5 or MetaTrader 5 to your bank account. To withdraw money from MetaTrader 5 to your bank account, you wanna open first your application, of course, and then after that, okay, here's how you do it. You can manage your account within the trading platform without the need to navigate external sites. So first you wanna go here, the https / broker.net, go to navigator, go to payments. After that, you will have to provide the following information like date, ticket, operation, and etc. That can be seen right here. After that, you want to deposit your account, like amount of the account, the this one right here, and then you just want to press continue. Just want to fill out all the missing details that is shown right here, and the commission would be 10 USD. After that, you want to go in and again put your details like card number, the name and which expires, and the CVV. Just want to press pay. After that, you can see all your withdraw history on the history toolbox. And then that's how you do it. There are a lot more um there are a lot more ways to do it, and that is the first one that I could suggest.